Hi, Mark Ongsiako, BMW of Bridgewater. I'm going to demonstrate the automatic high beam and how to use it. So I'm going to demonstrate how to use the automatic high beam feature. It's daytime, so we're going to pretend it's nighttime. You want to make sure the automatic light switch is on. There's a green light there that indicates that it's on. And then what you'll do is you'll just go to your turn signal stalk. You want to push the bottom switch. You'll have a little A there with the symbol for automatic high beam. You push that in. Again, if it's nighttime and your lights are on, there will be a light here, a green light, and it lets you know that that's active. And then the high beam will be on. If a car comes your opposite direction with the headlights, the cameras in the front of the car will pick it up. It will shut the high beam off. As soon as you pass the car, it will come back on again. If you do come upon a car that picks up the taillights, it will shut the high beam off. And again, if that car turns off and if there's nothing in front of you, it'll kick back on again. Mark Ongsiako, BMW of Bridgewater. So I just demonstrated the use of how to do the automatic high beam. If you have any questions, please give me a call. Thank you.